We're with a familiar face in Jamaican football, unfamiliar to this or that sports TV because he's the Costa Cup coach, Coach Lenworth Hyde. Congratulations on winning today in the first game of the Champions Cup. First of all, how did it feel when you guys drew Mona High School?
Well, we are ready for any team, you know. We heard that there was a good team. I saw a little glimpse of them, and they've proven it today. They're a quality team, and they're a hard-running team. So we expected a tough game from them. But I think we were disciplined, we were composed and relaxed. When they threw the attack at us, we were calm and tried to pass out from the back. But it was a tough game for us, as I said. We showed composure, we showed the grit and determination, and we created 3 nice goals. I love the goals that we scored, you know.
All right, Coach. Coming from Clarendon to Kingston or to St. Andrew, it seemed like you were the home team today, Coach. Speak to us about Clarendon College's travelling support.
Well, we've been doing this for about 5 years now. We're always in the Champions Cup, there and there about the last time we won it. So we're used to it, you know, and this is what the players look forward to coming into Kingston and play on good surfaces, good atmosphere. You pull out the best in them, and that's what they did today, and they look forward to these challenges every time.
All right, Coach, and let's speak about the football on the pitch. You guys went out and you guys did exactly what it seemed like you wanted to do on the pitch. Speak to us about your players' technical ability and your tactical genius in order to get them to play the way you want them to.
You saw it. You saw the technical skill that they have.
Your players possess extreme technical
Yeah, man.
skills.
So it's easy for me to coach. When you have players that can control, pass, do all of the things, the criteria to make you a good footballer. My job is just to get the system in place and show them how to run off the ball and things. And they are learning it. We are doing it 5 years now. So they're under 14, under 16, the same pattern, same style of football they play. So when they come up to me, it's easy for us to just fix certain things and get them mentally ready, you know. I know some schoolwork have to be in place also.
And you guys are through in the Champions Cup. Now still playing for the Champions Cup, the Manning Cup, and hopefully Olivia Shield. How do you think the pressure of all these games will affect the players?
No, we have to keep them calm. We have a good management staff led by Mr. Palmer, Mr. Pierre Briscoe. So we know how to replenish. We have a very good trainer in Mr. Samuels. So we know how to rest them, replenish them, feed them properly. Nutrition is very important. And we tell them that not to be humble, you know, with a lot of humility. We're not a team that hype on them something. They will just be disciplined and go out there and play. And a lot of rest, you know.
And Coach, it's funny that you spoke about humility, because my next question, my last question was going to be, do you think that Clarendon College is the best schoolboy football team in the country, not just in the Costa Cup, but in the whole nation?
When the season finishes, you can determine that.
All right, there you have it, people. Coach.